Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So today I have brought another opportunity wherein which you can apply for the government job. Okay, so if you have done with your MSc Zoology completed, so you guys can apply. So this is for the Zoological Survey of India. So if you have seen my previous lectures where I have mentioned about the zoology careers, so this is one of that the application of doing the MSc Zoology. So here I am, your Dr. Ruby Singh, with the another government job opportunity here. Okay, so guys, still time is there. Since everything is online, so it will hardly take another 15-20 minutes to apply for it, and there is no harm. Okay, so there's no fee for it, so you can apply whenever you want, but before 15th of March 2021. So let me just share the details with you guys, so that if you think you're interested and really wanted to apply for it, you can apply for it. Okay, so this is the Government of India, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Zoological Survey of India. In the same way, Botanical Survey of India is also there for the people who have completed MSc Botany. Okay, so this is for your what to say, the MSc Zoology students. Okay, so those guys can apply. So this is the advertisement number. If you're not thorough, if you're not clear with the whatever I'm discussing over here, if not sure, you can go to the Google and put these advertisement number and you can check for the details. Now here it is a recruitment of the JRF. So JRF it is there, and it is for 3 years, which is under the DST SERB sponsored project. Okay, so the title is given over here. You can read the title if you think you're interested. Sorry. And if you think you can do experiments on such topic, then please be motivated and apply for the same. Okay, so initially it is temporary position, at least for 1 year, but if you give your best performance, then it can be extended up to 3 years, since it is actually a 3 years project. Okay, so you can apply for the same. Now of course it is JRF, so you will be called junior research fellow, and for this you just need your MSc Zoology. Okay, for this no CSIR or no NET is required. Nothing is required. Only MSc Zoology with around 60% of aggregate is required. Only one position is there, so of course the competition is going to be tough. And the age limitation 28 years as of 15th March 2021. If you have just completed your MSc, then you guys have time. Okay, but whereas in the case of SC, ST and women candidates, you have got the another relaxation years. Okay, now how to apply. So what you guys need is the CV. Okay, so you guys need CV over here. And see, if you have seen my videos, I have always mentioned whenever you apply for any academic positions, okay, always people are going to ask for the CV. But if you go for the company based jobs, then they ask for your resume. So you can see over here also they are asking for the CV. So CV is going to be in detail the summary of your achievements. Guys, make sure you make a good CV. Then self-attested copies of the certificates. So all your certificates from 12th, BSc and MSc certificates needed. And this you're going to email to Dr. A. Ramesh Kumar, Scientist, Seas, Logical Survey of India, M Block, New, this Kolkata, West Bengal, by email ID to this. Okay, so email ID is given. So there is no hurry that don't be in, don't get panic that you need to apply and you have to send it by the speed post or whatever it is. So whenever you're writing an email, give this address. Okay, so give this address. It is very clearly written that it has to be by email ID. So this email ID you're going to apply, and in the subject please mention, okay, that you are applying for these JRF positions. So application for JRF position, that should be your subject. So of course the incomplete application will be rejected, and once you get selected there will be a virtual interview. So once everything is final, then only you need to go there to so that you can start your job over here. Now, all original documents should be produced at the time of registration. That is also true. So whenever you're going for the interview also, they will ask, and when everything has been done, like you get selected and all, please take all your original documents over there. Now, where can you get the application form? So of course, you have to go to the Zoological Survey of India website and here and then apply. Okay, so I've seen the application form. It is very simple. They're just asking basic details, your profile details only, so you can apply very soon. Then contact details if you have any doubts. Okay, and suppose you're not getting the call for the interview and all, what is the reason behind that, you can contact to Dr. A. Ramesh Kumar. Okay, so this is a person under whom you're going to work if you get selected. Now fellowship, so how much you're going to get? So fellowship is around 31,000. So it is around 31,000. Okay, and plus HRA. So since it is in Kolkata, so I guess 24% HRA you will get. I guess, I'm not sure, or maybe it will be 30% if it got increased. Okay, now for the initial 2 years and also in the third year, 35,000 plus HRA will be provided. So see, if you have net gate qualified, then the benefit is this, but if you don't have, then it will be 20,000 plus HRA. So it's okay if you guys don't have net and gate, you can still apply. Okay, so there will be just limitation in the salary, but it's okay if you have not if you don't have any other job opportunities, then you can apply. And then for the third year you will get 25,000 plus HRA. So it's not that bad. Rather than sitting at home, this is a very good opportunity for the MSc Zoology candidates. So what else is required over here? So it is required that you have completed your MSc Zoology, of course, right? And it should have around 60% of aggregate. So this is, I guess, many of students are having. So this is not a issue. Then desirable qualifications. So during your MSc and during your MSc, if you've done your MSc dissertation project and something related to this experience in the insects collection and taxonomy of the insects, then it will be good. It will be a, it will be going to be benefited to you only. And if you have little bit data knowledge, like knowledge on the data as well as the stats analysis, then it will be favored. So since you're in the zoology field, of course, little bit of photography is also needed. So holding in the camera and taking a photograph, beautiful photograph, won't be a problem for the zoology candidate. So guys, still a lot of time is there. Okay, go through the video again and again. If you think still doubts are there, you can comment me asking your queries. If suppose I'm not able to clear your doubts, you can contact to the scientist directly and talk to him. Okay, and the main thing is that you need to prepare your CV in the best way, and of course the certificates. The best thing is that they're not asking for the recommendation over here. Okay, so this is really a good opportunity for you guys. Please don't miss it. As soon as possible, grab it. So thank you guys for listening, and I'll keep continuing making videos so on the job opportunities so that you guys can get placed. So thank you guys for staying with the Excelsior Academy.